Hello, how are you, my students? Today we are going to talk about an important most concept called approximation. What if your teacher give you this example 3275.4682 and he wanted to approximate the result to the nearest unit? First, you will look at this digit 5 in the unit, and we will look at by right hand side this number 4 less than 5, so it can't give it 1 because 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 it's a poor numbers. This number less than 5 can't give 1 to 5, but if this number will be 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, it will give it 1. So we will write 3275 here because 4 is less than 5. And what if your teacher give you this example 3275.4682 and he won't find the result by to the nearest 10? Who can solve it? First, we must know where the number in the place 10. This number will be 7, and we must look at right hand side. Right hand side is 5. 5 is a rich number, can give 1 to the 7. The 7 will be 8, and write 2 and 3, and we will put 0 here behind 8. The result will be 3280. And what if your teacher gives you the example 3275.4682 and he won't find the result to the nearest 100? To the nearest 100 we will write here double 0. Where is the number in 100? 100 is 2. Okay, we will look at by right hand side 7 more than 5. Yes, it's a rich number, can give 1 to 32 will be 3, and we write 3 here. Okay, and what about this example 3275.4682? he want to the nearest 1000. We will write 30 here, and we will put our underline 1000 or unit 100,000. It will be 3. Look at behind this number 2 less than 5, can't give 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 here. The result will be 3000. What if your teacher wanted to the nearest hundreds or teens? We will look at teens first. Teens, how we solve? Who can solve it? First, you must determine tenth. It's 4. Look at right hand side by this number 6. Number 6 is rich number, can give 1, 4, 2, 4. 4 will be 5, and we cancelled 6 and 8 and 2. Okay, right point here 5, 7, 2 and 3. Another example, what if your teacher want to approximate to the nearest hundreds? Where hundreds here? It's 10th and 6 in hundreds. Put underline this number and look at by the right hand side to the 8 more than 5. Yes, it's a rich number, can give 1 to 6. 6 will be 7, and we will write 4.5, 7, 2 and 3. And what about this example 3275.4682 and he want to the nearest find the result to the nearest 1000. We must underline 1000. Where 1000 is 8 and 2 is a poor digit, can't give 1 because 2 is less than 5. Can't give 1 to 8. We write it here, and 6 4 and we will write all digits. Okay, again I will talk again about these examples. What if your teacher give you the example 3275.4682 and he want to find the result to the nearest unit? First, you must underline the digit in the unit here and look at it by right hand side. Right hand side is 4. 4 less than 5 can't give 1 to 5, so we will cancel this decimal. Okay, and write 3 whole number 3275 here. This number was approximated to the nearest unit. And what about 10? He won't find the result by to the nearest 10, so we will cancel the decimal. Okay, we'll cancel it and put 0. Look at this number 3275. Which number in the 10? The digit in the 10 is 7. 5 give 1 to 7. 7 will be 8, and we write 2 and 3. And what about 100? Approximating to the nearest 100, we will put 0 here and look at the digit in the 100. 2. 7 give 1. Yes, 2 will be 3, and we write 3 here and 0 behind it, and we cancelled the decimal 4682. We cancel it. And what about to the nearest 1000? We will cancel the decimal and put 30. Look at 1003. Look at by right hand side. 2 can't give 1 to 3. We will write 3 and 30 behind it. And what if your teacher asked you about to the nearest tenses? He won't find the result by tenses. So it's very easy. You must look at tenses. Where the digits in tenses is 4. So we will underline it. Look by right hand side. 6 can give 1 4 because 6 is more than 5. Any digits more than 5 can give 1 to 4. The 4 will be 5. Okay, are you see it? And we will point here 5 7 2 3 here. Okay, and what about this number? We want find the result to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds is 6. Yes. 8 give 1 or not? Yes, 8 can give 1 to 6 because 8 more than 5. Any digit more than 5 can give 1 to 6. 6 will be 5 7 or 5 7. 6 convert to 7 because 8 give 1 to 6 will be 7. And we will write 4.5723 by left hand side. And what about 1000s? What if your teacher want to find the result by 1000s? 1000th, we must determine 1000s by using underline the digit such as that 4682 tenth, hundred thousandths. Look at by right hand side 2 less than 5 can give 1 to 8. We will write it here 64.5723.